The Kano State government, through the Ministry of Justice, wishes to draw the attention of the general public, particularly commercial motorcyclists and transport operators, to the provisions of enforcement directives contained in the Motorcycling and Related Matters Regulation Law 2013, enacted to strengthen safety and promote peace and public order in Kano State. The law expressly prohibits the carrying of passengers on motorcycle within the designated metropolitan local government on commercial basis, which includes Kano Municipal, Gwale, Dala, Nasarawa, Tarauni, Ungogo, Dawakin Kudu, Page, and Kumbotso local government respectively. Commercial motorcyclists, particularly known as Achaba, are strongly advised to take note of the recent law or of the law that has been enacted sometimes in 2013, which prohibits commercial motorcycling within the Kano metropolitan local government duly mentioned. In other local government areas where commercial cycling is permitted, operators are required to register in accordance with the provisions of the law. To register with the ward head, the local government works department, and the divisional police officers responsible within the area.